Tuttle, the real estate guy with Legacy Real Estate Services, and today I am at Classic Heritage Homes model home, currently located at 12534 Breeder Cup Way, 79938. And one of the great standard features that I'm going to show you today is our inside laundry room. Now, this may not seem like a big deal, but here in El Paso, where we can get 100 plus days, 100 degree plus days, having an inside laundry room is vitally important to the sanity of whoever's doing laundry at the home. Now here, we've got a very large laundry room, so come on in and let's look at some of these features that we have. So first off, we've got extra cabinetry here that's standard on all of our models with a rod to be able to hang up. Yes, those are real. So we can hang up clothes, let them drip dry if necessary. It just helps you fold them, or just to let them hang after steaming so that all the wrinkles come out. All of our plans come with indoor laundry rooms, and come on in, let me show you one other feature while we're here. Right behind the door, this is the brain to our security system, and if you choose to upgrade to the smart home package, this is where all the electronics are located so that you can keep your family safe, sound, and secure. Now, we'd love to show you more of these great features to emphasize that Classic Heritage Homes is greater than other builders. So please give us a call at 915-588-1850 and let us set an appointment with you to help us build your future. Thanks for watching. God bless you, and make it a great day. Bye-bye.